pink, 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 pink with love pink. Guys, Temu. Y'all sleeping on Temu. This is like the new color hat. I hope I'm saying it right, y'all. I think it's so adorable. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel.
Sound beautiful, yeah. When I'm with you, no question that this girl will hate me, 'cause I'm beautiful.
Now, if you know my channel, you don't know who I am. Hey, it's Princess Naya, aka Shania. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be doing, well, not we, me. Today I'm going to be doing a Temu clothing haul. As you can tell by this big box behind me. Ugh, this big box behind me. I wasn't sure what to call this video because it's clothing and accessories and a little bit of stuff from my room. So, you know, it's kind of I see, but we're just going to call it a clothing haul because the majority of stuff are clothes. Before we get straight into this video at all, I want you to make sure you follow my social medias. Follow both my Instagram pages. Right here is my dump page, and I'm going to put my main page right here. And also, if you want to see behind the scenes of me and like my daily life or whatever, you can follow my TikTok, because I definitely am a TikTok girly and I love doing TikToks. See, I got a robe on, so you know what that means. It's going to be a try on haul. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. First thing we're going to start with is the bag, because I kind of already opened a little bit. I opened the box already because I did a reel TikTok. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see the reel. And also, I opened this because I had to get the crimpers to curl my hair. So, we're going to start with the bag first. So, it's already open, but, like, that was the only thing I opened. So, first thing out the bag, I got these nice, cute slippers. These is real cute. I thought these were so cute. I had to get them. Let's see. I think when you get them, you have to get them in a size, and I got them in 42, 43. These are the slides, yeah. Oh, these feel nice. These are the slides, yeah. Hold on. Let me see. The next item I have is these. Oh, these wand curlers. Now, the box is gray, but they're pink. I got the pink ones. Yeah, they gave me this big old bag for no reason, honestly, because this is what came. This cute little pillow. I think this is so adorable, and it matches my room color. That was the point, of course. I'm so slow. I should have got two, but I got this little wallflower thing. I need to get another one because so it looks bigger, because it looks a little too small right now. And I also opened this hat. I got this hat, a nice cute little stretchy hat. It was cute. I had it on today and I got mad compliments on it. Now we're at the outfits. Yeah, we're at the outfits because we're gonna open the box later. So I got this. I think this is my two-piece pink set, and this is so cute because I already see it. Yep. So this is the two-piece. It's pink leggings, pink top, matching set. Y'all, this is too cute. I love this set. I need to order like 3,000 more of every color. This is so cute. I could definitely get used to this nice cute set. It's kind of like it's not tight, but it was like I had a little trouble getting it on. So I would definitely advise you to size up if you want to get this outfit, if you don't want it so tight, because it's very tight. But if you like it tight, get it tight. If you like loose and you think your size medium, go up, because this is a little tight, but it's still cute on me. Period. Definitely. It's giving Skims, like, is it not? Yeah, it's giving Skims. Like, I like this outfit. Nice, very cute outfit. Okay, next outfit I have is this. I'm pretty sure this is my red sweatsuit. It's a two-piece as well. And open it up. I hope it's not too big because every medium I got, they've been big. Except that last outfit I had on. But okay, so this is the outfit. It's just a two-piece. It's a red sweater with the matching pants to go with it. Okay, y'all, so this is the second outfit. This is too cute. It's giving the brand Pink, but like it's giving off brand Pink, but it's so cute and it's not even thin, y'all. I know y'all be saying like when y'all get stuff from Temu, or like when we order stuff from AliExpress or Temu or anything like that, it be like the sweatsuits be thin, but this is like thick material, like for real. This is real cute. This, like, you really could go winter shopping on your Temu because this is cute. I'm definitely jacking this. This is too cute, and I'm so happy I got red because I never wear red. And this red looks great. Period, y'all. You will be 60. And they also like the pants. It has like the words on it. Matching. This is too cute. Too cute. Period. Not as cute as the pink one. I'm holding my robe together because I can't find my string right now. But we're done with the bag, and now we're on to the big box. Okay, so next thing I have is this gray hoodie. Let's keep the bag open. Next thing I have is this gray hoodie, y'all. And I think this hoodie is too cute. Like, it's three girls. It's three girls. Is that a girl? I don't know. It looks like it's all girls, but it might be a guy. But it's three girls on the hoodie. And I think it's so cute. And it got a little hood. And it's gray. And it's thick material. So let's try this on. Okay, y'all, so this is the hoodie. Like I said, it's very much thick material. Like, you could wear this outside and not be cold. And it's from Temu. Stop playing. Shop with Temu, y'all. Y'all playing. But y'all, this is the hoodie. This is the bag. It goes down. Let me see. I don't know what's in my hand. Let me see. Let me see. We gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you scissors and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down. Y'all holding us down. You ever need this is cute, y'all.
Please just hit me and I'll be around.
Oh, if you want to hide your face, yeah, this is real cute. It's giving. And I just got a pair of shoes to match this hoodie too. Period. It's cute. Alright, y'all. So next little bag we got is this is a 3-piece. This is a 3-piece cozy. It's like lounge in a house type of set. Yeah, all this material is so good. Like, it's warming me, and it's it to be from Temu is definitely warming me up for sure. I would definitely recommend y'all to buy this set. It's so cute, and it's cute to lay around. And if you get too hot, you can take the little sweater off. And yeah, it just looks so cute on me. Sorry, kodak. But this is real cute. Period. Nice cozy set. Now, I'm not even about to put my robe back on because I'm going to put it back on. But yeah, I also got this nice cute little pink and white sweater, jacket kind of thing. But I'm about to put it on. Hold on, y'all. Honestly, hold on, let me fix it so I can show y'all. Like, it fit me, and like it feel nice and soft. Like, oh, this definitely keep me warm as well. But I don't know, I feel like it's a little too big on me. Like, you see, it just look like I don't know, it's just not giving. Like, it's cute and I could probably wear it. Like, I'm gonna wear it, of course, but it's just, I wish it was tighter. Like, it's not, it's supposed to be cropped. Like, it's just giving grandma. I don't want to be cold in my grandma. But it's real cute. It's a little 360 of it. It's just a little too big. And I got this in a size medium. So If you don't like how it fit on me and you think you're like our body size is the same or whatever, size down and get a small because it's still a little big. And yeah, I'm not even about to. Before I was switching positions, I don't even feel like doing that anymore. So next I'm about to try on is this two-piece sweatsuit set. And it says chase a bag, cause period, chase that bag. And the pants is so cute because they got the little chase that bag symbol on too. So just to remind y'all, 2 times chase that bag. I got this two-piece set, chase a bag, period. It's nice and thick. It's definitely warming me up. Y'all sleeping on them Temu. Y'all sleeping on Temu because like the material not even thin. Like none of this stuff is thin at all. It's definitely keeping me warm and definitely for the winter season. Definitely sleeping on it and got a nice little hoodie. I think I'm gonna put the link of all these items in the description below. But yeah, y'all get into it. Chase a bag. Period. Okay, y'all, that's the end of the clothes. Now I also got another hat, and it says it's a Mila Kuppa hat, or Mila Kuppa or Koopa, however you say it. That's what this hat is. It's not on the back like how it's supposed to be. Like it's supposed to be all around. But this is so cute. I'm not gonna try them because I really want to mess up my hair. So, but this is the Mila Kuppa hat. I hope I'm saying it right, y'all. But it's like a more like, it's not like a regular material. It's more like a, like, what's this material called? Like a fluffy, I don't know. It's just giving. And I got my dog a little shirt. I got my dog a little shirt. I already put it on him in my TikTok reel, but I'm gonna put it on him again just to show you how it fit. Come here, Cole. Yeah. Hold on. Let me see. This shirt is tight. Okay, y'all. So he's a boy, but like I said, I'm just a girl. So the pink is what he would have been rocking if he could fit it. But I got this shirt in a size medium. And my dog is a size medium, but it can't fit him. So he looks a little sad in this outfit. That was a waste of money, but it's okay. Ooh, I'm trying to take. I got these 2 packs of lashes. Now, these look like the individuals. They look like the individuals on the app, but I don't really know. I probably wear them when, like, I run out of lashes. But these are just extra lashes. And I got these makeup brushes. Because I want to start practicing makeup, and I'll also be doing wigs, and I needed some makeup brushes. So these is too cute. Everything is pink. Pink, 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 pink. We love pink. And then I also got these teddy bear slippers. I don't know about these because, well, my dog ran them dry already. He took the eye out. This one still got both the eyes and the nose, but he took the eye and the nose out. But I don't, because the paw, I don't know. I think these might be like a cheaper kind because it is Temu, you know. But why the little feet ripped apart already? I'm like, where did you do that at? So that's the only con I got about these slippers. But these is very comfortable and cute to walk around the house with. I also got. I really was just shopping, honestly. But I got these cute little decal stickers. This is too cute. I don't know if I hope they're not backwards. But this one, oh, it was upside down. This one says, look, I'm gonna let y'all see if y'all can see it. But this one says, you look great. And then this one says, this is for my man's car. This says, passenger princess. Right up in his, what's that thing called when you pull it down? What's that thing called? Right up in the sunroof. Yup. In the mirror. Put that little mirror. Passenger princess. Because you don't play with it. And I also got these tongue scrapers. I ordered 2 by accident, but whatever, it's okay. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, you might as well hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. More videos is definitely gonna come like this soon. Get this video to, come on, y'all, I'm trying to get back. Like, I'm trying to get back up there. Get this video to some views. Like, share this video. We gonna help your sister out. We gonna get this video popping, period. Because I spent $400 on all these items just for y'all. So yeah, help a sister out. But yeah, y'all, see y'all later in the next video. Bye.